Okay, revisiting the slide removal and replacement on a Snap-on Master Series toolbox. Now that I'm down here on to this bottom slide, I was short one slide, so Snap-on sent that out to me. I should be getting that tomorrow, but removal and install is the same either way. But this hole right here, that's, I don't know if you can't see the little tab, but a little tab slots into that hole. That's what keeps the slide in. What you want to do is take something like this and just push this down into it, just enough to push the top of that slide out a little bit. Now you want the slide to be sticking out a little bit from the front of the toolbox, and then you want to, I gotta get down in there, oops. Then you just want to hit the front of the slide, it'll pop up and out of that hole. And then in the back, you have this right here that clips into a hole. You can see it back here. It goes into that hole. And then your front slide goes in. Well, actually, you're going to have two little slots that are pointed down. And one is going to go in this hole, one is going to go in this hole. So you slide it back in there to get that back one locked in, and then you have it at a slide up angle to line up these two, and then you push it down, and then this piece right here, right there, that's what keeps the slide locked in. So as soon as you get it pushed down, this will pop in, oops, light. This will pop into this hole, and that's what keeps it from popping out. And I'll pop this one back in just to show you. Okay, the back is now in, and both of those little slots I showed you are now lined up in the two holes. And now, just like that, now that slide is locked in again. But again, all you need is a tool like this, and just get this down in there. Without removing that drawer above, it's a little tough, but that right there, now just wiggle it, and out that slide comes. Now I also found a little trick on the drawer. If you remember last time, I was going by the Snap-on video, and yeah, you can see that. And Snap-on shows you, this is the same thing, has a little slot here. You have a tab there, and a tab back here that slides in. This one here comes out from the bottom because your weight is pushing down on it. Snap-on was showing coming in through the top. I found something better, and let me get a hammer here. If you come through the bottom, right behind where these tabs are, and see if I can get it in. That pushes it out from the bottom because you're coming out of the bottom anyway. Just like that, much easier. And again, you have the little tab for the back. You have a tab right here and a tab right here, and then there's your little locking tab right there. The locking tab goes into this hole, and your other tabs go into these. And to put it in, you don't really have to have a hammer on these, as long as you get that slid back into that hole. You get those lined up in the hole. Now all you have to do, take your fingers and lift up. That's now locked back in. That's how simple it is to change out the slides on a Master Series Snap-on toolbox. Hope this video was informative. I hope this one shows it a little better than the other one I did. I know the other one was, the slides were up higher and they were kind of blocked out by some drawers, so it didn't quite show as much. So hopefully this one here showed a little bit better and just how easy it is to actually change these. Thanks for watching.